Hi, in this video let me show you how to factory reset your Garmin Instinct E. Before doing a reset, I always suggest you do a backup on the app, on the Garmin Connect app. I'll press on my watch on the top right corner, Instinct E. Then I need to go down and select System. And from here I will go down and select Backup and Restore. Make sure that automatic backup is turned on, and over here you see backup now. Well, you're going to tap on it. It will say in progress. It will do the backup. Okay, so it took about a minute to back up, and now we are good. Now on the watch itself, I'm going to keep press this middle left button during a second. Then I'll press this lower left button here a few times until I get to the last option, until I am over system, and then I'll press on the top right corner button. Once I'm in this second menu, I will go down again, and one of the options should be reset. Again, we need to go down. Here we go, reset. And I'll press the top right corner button again. Now we have two choices, reset default settings, and the lower one is delete all activities. There are multiple reset options. You see, reset default settings, delete all activities, reset totals, and the last one should be delete data and reset settings. This is the option you need to choose if you want a factory reset. So all your personal data will be deleted from this watch. If you want to resell it, the other person will not be able to get any information that was previously on the watch. So once you're over here, you're going to press the top right corner button, restore default settings and clear all data including activities. Yes, this is what we want, so we'll confirm by pressing again on the button. Pressing the left lower button to select yes, and then confirming by pressing the right side top button. And now it started. We just have to wait. Okay, as you see, it's doing its thing here. You have a status bar. And by the way, before doing a reset, I always suggest you have at least 50% or more battery, maybe 30% and more battery. Don't do it if you only have like battery for a day or two. I never experienced it, but I'm sure it's not a great idea to have a reset and the watch to die in the middle of a reset. So that's just something to keep in mind. I'm almost done, as you see. And here we go. We are on the setup menu, the same setup menu that was available when you purchased the watch brand new. I will show you how to restore your data in the watch if this is what you want, in case you don't want to start fresh. You want to put the backup back in the watch. So I will select my language here, pair with phone. I will select again the top right corner. I'll take my phone, open the camera app and scan this QR code over here. Now at this point, if you see that it says not connected, you're going to go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone and you're going to try to see if your watch is over here. I see it there because it was previously connected to this phone. I will simply delete it. Forget this device, forget. And I will go back in the camera app and scan it again. And now it's working. I'll press setup. I'll get a code. Yes, it's the right one. I will confirm. Done. Cancel. And once I am over here, if you see this appearing, then you're going to press add device. And the watch will be added. It will notice that you have a backup for this watch. Therefore, you're going to be able to select transfer settings. Next. Allow or skip. Here it doesn't matter. And sync now. And now your data that you have backup will be synced with your watch. Let's come back in a few seconds. Okay, so now I see app setup complete, perfect. And I also see that my watch is connected. And then if I press the top right corner button, I'm going to see backup found, ready to apply backup. And I will press again on the top right corner button. Again, apply this backup. And now it will get installed. Okay, backup applied successfully. I'll press here, and here we go, I'm back with my watch. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.